morning, guys. Today is Maths Monday and we're going to keep learning about standard metric units, and now we are going to learn about standard metric units for length. Let's get started. Our learning objective today is to choose and use metric units when estimating, measuring, and recording length. So we're going to start with measuring and recording length. What is length first? Well, length is a measure of distance. It's a measurement of something from end to end. You can see here our pencil. And length is also how long an object is, or how high an object is. Now let's take a look at the standard units of length and its abbreviations. So the basic one is the meter, and the abbreviation is an M. We also have kilometers, and the abbreviation is km. For centimeters, cm, and for millimeters, mm. But what does that mean? Well, I put a ruler here and a magnifying glass on top of it, and that's supposed to be just a normal ruler like the ones you have. And you can see that in 1 centimeter we have 10 little lines. Those little lines are called millimeters. So 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. 1 meter has 100 centimeters. And a kilometer has 1,000 meters, which is very long. So depending on what we want to measure, we use these different units. Please keep in mind these abbreviations. So the first thing we're going to do is a fun experiment to see who has fastest or better reactions. So you're going to need a ruler, your notebook, and a pencil. Are you ready? Experiment time, guys. And this experiment is called ruler drop experiment. So here we're going to measure the reaction of our family members and ourselves as well. The aim here is to find out who has the quickest reaction when you drop a ruler and you hold it, right? You need someone else to help you with this. You cannot just drop it yourself because that doesn't work like that. So you're going to draw these charts where you're going to put the volunteers, then the first, second, and third go. Okay? And this is what you're going to do. So I have my first volunteer here, Mr. Davis. I'm going to write his name here, Mr. Davis. So Mr. Davis, you're going to have to put your hand like this. I'm going to put the ruler with the 0 facing down, 0 down, and then you're going to you have to catch the ruler, okay? And you're going to stop there because we're going to measure the centimeters that your fingers are. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. And get closer, camera, please. Right here, 16 centimeters. That's the first go. 16 centimeters. Second go. 1, 2. Oh, it's getting better. 13.4. Last go. Whoa, that was really good. 7.8 centimeters. Now it's my turn, and he's gonna help me to do that. Facing that way. Thank you, Mr. Davis. 15 is the first one. Circles. Second go. 14.5. And 8 centimeters. So once you get your 3 volunteers, guys, at least if you want, you can have more. You have to find out who has the quickest reactions. I hope you have fun. Remember to use millimeters when needed. Goodbye. Guys, as an extra challenge, I'm gonna give you one advice to get to know who was the quickest. Of course it was me, but you're gonna use your calculator. I have mine here. What you're going to do is get the first volunteer and you're going to add the 3 numbers, the 3 lengths. So it would be 16 add 13.4 add 7.8. So this add this equals 37.2. And you're gonna divide that by 3 because you added 3 numbers. When you divide it by 3, you're going to get the average. So it's 12.4 centimeters in average. Then you can do exactly the same with the rest of your volunteers, and that's how you will get to know who was the quickest. Good luck.